Good afternoon, everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. We will begin the class with the prayer. Keep hands on your lap. Close your eyes and get ready for the prayer. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe from all harm and danger. Protect everyone and help each one of us to understand and participate actively in today's class. Keep your loving hand upon each one of us. Now we'll start with the universal prayer. All say with me. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, today we'll start with the topic how living things respond to stimuli. Now, as you don't know what is the meaning of stimuli, but in the previous class I have explained you. Stimuli means when living things respond. Now, when you will see this video, I have shared the video on the screen. You will come to know what is the meaning of respond to stimuli. Watch it carefully.
All living things respond to stimulus. The stimulus is the change hormone environment that affects the activity and the condition. A response
Parnika, you have unmuted yourself, beta. Are you able to listen to me, Parnika Gupta? Parnika, say yes or no, bete. You have unmuted yourself, na? Say yes or no. Danak, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself faster.
Yes.
Who is there? Danak, you are there speaking? Yes. Okay. Now, see on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See on the screen. I have written one definition there in the video there. What is the definition, please? Say the definition. Samvedana Ruhani, you have raised your hand. Just wait for a minute. Let Danak finish and then I'll ask you. So, this one. Danak, please say. She has muted herself. Samvedana, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but you see the screen. I have shared the video, and in that video, a definition is given of a stimulus. Please say the definition. Start, beta.
Stimulus is a change in an organism's environment that affects the activities of the organism
Bus stopped in here.
as
Bache,
reps.
ruko, wait. Is given. It is half word, so full sentence has to be written. A stimulus is a change in an organism. Change means when we are responding to environment. Like a previous class, I gave you the example of sunflower. When sunflower is facing towards the sun, we come to know that it is responding towards sun. Same way, touch me not example also I gave you. So wait for a minute. I'll continue with the video.
Is any reaction of a living
Say now, say that sentence now, Rohani. Sorry, this one, Samvedana. A response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that
A
sentence.
response is any reaction of a living thing to stimulus.
Stimulus means whatever thing we are using in that and how that thing is responding. Now the examples will come, you will come to know. Okay. Okay. Kainat Anil, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I will continue the video, then you will say the sentence what is written there.
Okay.
Just wait a second. It will come.
your response to stimulus, which would be change in external or internal environment, such as temperature, light, and sound.
Say that sentence now. Okay, wait.
All
Example.
living.
Are you able to see that what was given there? 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Now are you able to see on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Say now.
All living organisms show respond to in stimuli which could be stimulus which
Yes.
could be change in external or internal
Environment.
environment
Yes.
such as
Temperature.
temperature, light,
Yes.
and sound.
Yes. All living organisms show response to stimulus. Means we are not talking about plants, we are talking about all the living organisms. They all show response, which could be change in external, whether it is a change in the internal environment or external environment. Whether the temperature is there changing, or it is responding to light, or it is responding to sound. So they are telling us this. Okay. Now Samvedna, you also mute yourself, and Kainat, you also. Bache. Okay. Now we'll see the example. They will give us one example here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Udita, unmute yourself. Udita Mahajan, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, are you able to see something written on the screen here above the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read that.
Here, touching is the stimuli and curling or folding of leaves.
Yes. Now what they are saying, here touching is the stimuli. Stimuli means when we are touching the leaf, that is stimuli. That means some reaction going on. And what happened when we touch the plant? The leaves got
It
curled or
folds.
folded. Okay. We call it curling also. We called it folding also. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, bache. Now we'll continue with the video.
It is a response. It is the plant responds to something touching it by closing its leaves. This is why it is called touching out. We can see another example of plant responding to light and temperature. Take a small potted plant and place it near a window through which sunlight can come in.
Okay. Kashvi, unmute yourself. Kashvi. Kashvi, are you there?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
yes. Now, are you able to see something is written on the screen here? Please read that.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, bache.
Yes, ma'am. I am able.
Read.
Take a small potted plant and place it near a window
Yes.
through which sunlight can come in.
And which plant they have kept in front of the sunlight? I
Ma'am,
put my-
sunflower.
Yes, sunflower. Okay. Now just wait for a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
We'll continue with the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gurpreet, unmute yourself. Gurpreet Kaur, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, what is written now? What has happened? You will notice what is written there.
Ma'am, where?
Bacha, on the screen above the diagram, you will notice it is written there, na? Read that.
Yes, ma'am.
Read,
Okay,
beta.
ma'am. You will notice that after a few days, the plant has bent towards the window from where the sunlight was
Coming. It is coming. Full
coming.
sentence is not written. Na? Okay. So what has happened? The sun rays has fallen on the flower, sunflower, and it has bent towards the sunlight after few days. Why disturbance is there, Bajay? Your parents are speaking in between. I am muting you all. Okay. Now we'll continue with the video.
Running. Plants usually display a positive response to light, which means they grow
Okay. Japneet, unmute yourself. Japneet, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you unmuted? Once again, bacha, do it once again, beta. I think so. You have muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, what has happened to the plant? Please read that. Plant usually. What is given on the screen there?
Plants usually display a positive response to light, which they grow towards.
Which means they grow towards sunlight. That I will continue now. Just wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, bache.
ma'am, the voice of the video is not clear.
Not clear, bache. I have put my full 100 there. Full 100 is there. Maybe network issue bache hoga na. Now what is written, beta? Read this. This response of plant. Read this one, beta. Japneet.
This response of plant towards light is known as
Tropism.
phototropism.
Phototropism. Yes, this you will study in 10th standard. What is phototropism means? Towards responding towards light. So I think so everybody understood respond to stimuli. Na? Now we will go. Now
Yes.
just wait a minute. I will stop sharing this now. And just give me 1 second. We will go to the whiteboard. And I have told you today we will discuss with the objective type questions. So we'll start that. Okay. Now, just 1 minute. I will keep my participant also on the screen. Okay. Vanshika Gupta, unmute yourself, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Hina Singh, unmute yourself. Hina Singh, unmute yourself. Bache, faster. We have to do the revision now. So, who is the first participant whom I have unmuted? First participant is Japneet. Japneet, na? And Hina Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Japneet.
Yes.
I will write one sentence here. You have to give me answer in one word. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Organism. Organisms. Having, very easy it is. Don't take tension. If you will not knowing that, I will give you the answer. Organism having one cell. Which organism is having one cell, Japneet?
Unicellular organism.
Unicellular, yes. Say the spelling, please. Do you know the spelling?
UNICE
UNICE L U L A R. Bachche, I am muting you. You mute yourself. Japneet, disturbance is coming from your side. Mute yourself, beta. Okay. Now another other participant. Who was that other participant? Hina Singh, I think so. Hina, are you there? Hina, I am able to hear your voice. Who is there? Okay, I will write another question. organism, organism, HAVING, having, MANY, many, 1 minute, CELLS. Okay. Who has unmuted herself? Her voice is coming to me. Kashvi, you are there, beta? Kashvi Singh? No, video is on, Kashvi's. Okay. Nimrat, unmute yourself. Somebody has unmuted, beta, and your voice is coming to me. Nimrat, unmute yourself. Yes, bache. Again, you have muted yourself. Unmute yourself, Nimrat. Unmute.
Yes.
Yes. Please read the question. What is the question given on the screen?
Organism having many cells are
Which
called
organ?
multicellular.
Very good. Very good. That means you people have studied. Very good. That is 1 minute. M. Say the spelling.
MULT
L. Say faster, beta. MULT. I. Multi. Cellular.
IT
E. E.
ULL
L. L.
LUL
U. L. A. R. Say the
AR.
spelling now, bache. Say the spelling from the screen now.
MULTICELLULAR.
Yes. Wait now. Wait. BUILDING. Building. BLOCK. Block of 1 minute. LIVING. Living. THINGS. Okay, now 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will give chance to others also, no? Just give me minute. Akriti Chaudhary, unmute yourself, beta. Faster. Akriti Chaudhary, faster, bache, faster. If you're not knowing the answer also, I'll help you. Fast. Okay, Ariba, unmute yourself. Ariba, unmute yourself, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi Sharma, you also unmute yourself. Fast. Okay, Ariba, can you see the question given
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
screen? Say the question.
Yes, ma'am. Building block of living things.
Yes. Give me the answer. Who is the building block of all living things?
Ma'am, cell.
Yes, we all are living. Why? Because we all are made up of cell. If we are not made up of cell, then we all
Yes,
are not.
ma'am.
Fine, bache. I have unmuted someone more. Janvi, I think so. I have unmuted you. Okay, beta. Okay. I'm writing one more question now. DURATION. Duration of LIFE. Life of LIVING. Living. THINGS. All will attend the class, bache, because I am here revising. Say the question first, bache. Read the question.
Duration of life of living things are lifespan.
Lifespan, beta. Say once again, what is the answer? Life. 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 Span. SPAN. What is the meaning of lifespan? How much time we living things can grow? Yesterday I have sent you the answers. In that it was, what is the average lifespan of man and an elephant? How long man can live? How long elephant can live? In that, man I have sent you 60 to 70 years. And elephant I have sent you 70 to 90 years. Did you get that answer yesterday, bache? Janvi, Where Janvi has gone? Okay. Purvi, unmute yourself, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say the last part. What is given there on the screen? Duration wala. Please repeat that.
Duration of life of living things.
Meaning of this sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of this sentence, bache?
And how much time living things take to grow?
Yes, very good. So what we have written the answer? What
And
answer?
lifespan.
Yes, very good, very good. Now I will clear the screen from here. Just give me a second to do this. So that, 1 minute. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Now drawing is clear from the screen. We'll go further to the other question. Now I will write one word here. And Anya Sharma, unmute yourself, bache. Unmute yourself, Anya. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What word I have written there?
Ma'am, cell.
Cell. What word I have written? Cell.
Ma'am, cell.
Cell. Can you tell me what is the definition of cell?
Ma'am, cell is a substance which is present in all the living beings.
Yes. And what we called it? Building block. Who is making us alive? So what we call it? Cell is the building block of all living organisms.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not a substance. It is a building block of all living. If we are living, that means we are made up of cell. Thank you, bache. Ina Singh, yourself. First you muted, now and unmuted. Unmute, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I don't know where you were gone. I have unmuted you and you disappeared. I'm writing one word now. SENSTIVITY. Please read this word. Ina Singh, read this word.
Ma'am, sensitivity.
Yes. Now only we have done respond to stimuli. So what can you tell me? What is the definition of sensitivity? What is the meaning of sensitivity?
Ma'am, all living organisms respond to stimuli. This is called sensitivity.
Yes, when all the living organisms respond to stimuli. Stimuli means any reaction which takes place, and if they are responding, and all the living organisms are responding, that is known as sensitivity. Very good, very good. Guneet, unmute yourself, bache. Unmute yourself faster. Harpriya, unmute yourself. Harpriya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the definition of sensitivity.
Ma'am, ma'am, living things respond to stimuli.
Yes, bache, ठीक है. बोलो, say it's right.
And all living things respond to stimuli. Sensitivity.
So it is called sensitivity.
Okay, bache.
Ma'am, all living
Things respond to stimuli. That is known as sensitivity. I am writing one question. How do plants excrete? EXCRETE. Okay, now give me 1 minute. One name is given, dots are there, and the name is not there of the child. I don't know who is that one. I am unmuting you, bache. You unmute yourself. Dots are given, no name is there. Please unmute and tell me what is your name. Because when I will take the attendance, I don't know your name only, na? Your name is not coming. Unmute, please. Who is this child? Without name. Your name, bache. What's your name? Again muted. Aradhya Manotra, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute. Aradhya. Faster, beta. Advita, unmute yourself. Advita, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Okay. Ayman Fatima, you also unmute yourself. Okay, Advita, are you there, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Please see the screen and one question is written there. Read that question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayman
How
Fatima,
do plants
bacha,
excrete?
how do plants excrete?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of Ayman Fatima? You wait for a minute, beta. Wait. Advita, you tell me how do plants excrete? What is the meaning of excrete? Do you know, Advita?
No, ma'am.
When the waste is removed from the body, that is known as excrete. Whether it is excreted from the plants, whether it is excreted from the animals, like human beings. Okay. How do plants?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Ma'am,
excrete
I know the answer.
is this one.
Ma'am, I know the answer. How do plants excrete?
Please say your name first, bache. Say your name.
Ma'am, I'm Advita. I know
Okay,
how
bache.
do plants excrete.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, can I say?
Say the answer. Say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, plants excrete through, through the small opening leaves called stomata.
Okay, very good. Now I will explain
Thank you,
why I
ma'am.
did this question, because this question was little bit complicated for you. So I have written this question here
Yes,
to
ma'am.
make you understand. How do plants excrete? Means how do plants excrete waste from their body? So plants
Yes, ma'am.
excrete waste from their body. I am writing the answer through
Yes, ma'am.
R
Feed
G.
their waste.
Through stomata.
Yes. Wait, bache, wait. Small
Yes, ma'am.
opening
Small opening leaves.
openings in their leaves. In
Yes, ma'am.
Leaves, leaves, and that is called stomata. Now I'll explain you what is stomata, then only you'll come to know. STOMA.
Yes, ma'am.
Stomata. Okay. Now I have unmuted this one. One more was there, na? After Advita, one girl.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Simon. Ma'am Simon.
Okay. Say, please read from the screen what I have written.
Through small
Opening.
openings in their leaves called stomata.
Now, what is stomata? Stomata are present on the, these are the pores. What are these? Pores. Pores means holes. These are the holes present on the lower surface of the leaves and which allow the waste to be removed from the body of the plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Stomata are the small holes present on the lower surface of the leaves, under the leaves.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
plants excrete through small opening in their leaves called stomata.
Open your book. Listen now, bache. When you will open your book, now I'm muting you all because somebody is speaking in between. Wait a minute, beta. So this diagram is on page number 75. You open that page on page number 75. You are having this diagram. See the diagram, and that small pores are drawn, and outside the pores they have given guard cells which are protecting these small pores. Okay. Agamjot, unmute yourself. Faster, bache, faster. Agamjot.
Yes, ma'am.
So, please tell me what is the meaning of stomata? Stomata.
Ma'am, what are you saying?
What is the meaning of the word stomata?
Ma'am, stomata is a aperture open cell.
Okay, they are the small pores. Small pores means small holes present on the lower surface of the leaf. Repeat after me. Stomata are the small pores
Stomata are the small pores
or holes
or holes
present on the
lower
lower surface of the leaf.
surface of the leaves.
Okay, bache. Okay, fine. Okay, Ashwina. Ashwina, unmute yourself. Ashwina. Bache, unmute yourself faster. People are taking so much of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ashwina.
Ashwina. Okay, beta. You have to unmute yourself faster because that button is in front of you only. So you have to do it very fast now, bache. Okay. So we have done. Now I will write one word here. We have done it, but I think so. Maybe you were not knowing only. R-E, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. RESPEIRATION. Okay. Gungun, unmute yourself. Gungun, unmute yourself. Bhagavi Arora, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself. Bhagavi Arora. Bhagavi, again unmute for a minute. Bache, I think so. I muted yourself by mistake. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes.
Can you see on the screen? I have written one word there.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Word, beta. Two girls are saying yes, ma'am. Bhagavi will say
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhagavi, say the word.
Respiration.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the meaning of respiration? This we have done it, how the living things respire. I have explained you full one answer here. So please tell me what is respiration.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear. Ma'am, speak.
Meaning of respiration I am saying. Process, I am writing on the screen. Okay. Process of inhaling. Inhaling and because new words I will write so that you are able to understand. HALING. Read now, bacha. What I have written? Process of.
Process of inhaling and exhaling.
Yes. Who is the other participant whom I have unmuted, beta? Say your name.
Bhagyavi.
Bhagavi. Bhagavi. Okay. Bhagavi, can you tell me what is the meaning of inhaling? Inhaling means taking in air. What is inhaling? Taking in air. And what is exhaling?
Taking out air.
Okay, exhaling means taking out air. Gungun, I think so you have also unmuted yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat the sentence from the screen. Definition of respiration.
Process of inhaling and exhaling.
So please tell me what is the meaning of inhaling?
Ma'am, taking in air.
And what air we are
Taking
taking in? What air we are taking in? Oxygen.
oxygen.
Yes. And what is the meaning of exhaling?
Taking out air.
Yes. And which are we taking? We are taking
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Very good. Very good. Okay. I'm stop sharing the screen now. And anybody wants to ask anything? 1 minute. Anybody wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Understood what we have done? I have revised the questions also with you. Today I'll send you the objectives and you please do the objectives in the book. Jessica has raised her hand. Jessica, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, Jessica. Jessica.
Ma'am, by mistake.
No problem, beta.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, Kanishka, unmute yourself, beta. Want to ask something, Kanishka? Kanishka is not unmuting herself. Okay. Okay, bache. Bye to all. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Say bye to ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Thank you, bacha, for patiently listening to me. And all will learn these answers. In the next class, maybe I will revise with you. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye to all.